Feel like it's fall now, so I went shopping. I just bought a ton of stuff from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to be spending the next few days uploading videos of me making each one of these items. I just made it to work. I want to make some of this tea. Okay, so this donut's pretty good. I like the cinnamon sugar on it. I can't say that I taste the apple cider, but it's still pretty good. It is pretty heavy in calories, so it's not something I would probably buy again, but I like the taste of it. If anything, this is like I kind of think this would taste really good like on a tortilla, which is gonna be less calories, so I do have some inspiration now. And the tea. The tea is also pretty good. It definitely has a spice taste. This isn't the first time I've drank this tea, so I did notice that if you enter a room, it's gonna make the room smell like pumpkin spice. So that's pretty cool, especially if you want to like give a room a fall kind of smell. And then this tea, it's like a really good antioxidant. So I think that there's a lot of health benefits in Rooibos. I don't know how to say that. There's a lot of health benefits in that. So I do think that this is probably one of the healthier items that I purchased from this haul. And I do highly recommend the tea. The only bad thing is it only comes with 20 little packages. It is really good. It smells like fall. It smells amazing. And so again, tea I would buy again. Donut, I probably not.